Apply this to your brush. The results will surprise you. Everyday products you use can turn into something entirely different. This is a simple and inexpensive method. It turns out that this foam has a brilliant use in the toilet. Take an ordinary brush that you probably already have at home, remove it from the container, and then squeeze the foam into the container generously. Place the brush back into the container so that the foam covers its entire surface. This prepared brush is a lifesaver. The foam acts like lathered soap with a higher potassium hydroxide content, making it excellent for cleaning. Use this brush to scrub the toilet bowl as you usually do. It works great on yellow stains and unpleasant odors. Leave everything for 15 minutes. After that, flush the toilet. You'll immediately see how it shines. The bathroom will have a pleasant fragrance that lasts for several days after cleaning. Pour the contents of this bottle into the toilet. It will be clean and shiny like new. The dirt will disappear. If you also enjoy cleanliness, everything properly disinfected and smelling fresh, then this method is for you. I'll give you a very simple but effective recipe for a mixture that will clean the toilet, sink, and tiles. You'll also get rid of the unpleasant smell from the toilet. Everything in the bathroom will shine and smell pleasant. Pour 1 liter of water into a bowl. The water should be at room temperature. Add 150 milliliters of any dishwashing liquid. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda absorbs unpleasant odors, softens water. It is slightly abrasive, so it effectively removes stains and dirt. It also has bactericidal properties. Also, add 3 teaspoons of hair bleach. It's an oxidizer, but stronger than 3% hydrogen peroxide. It effectively whitens and removes stains. It works great for cleaning ceramic toilets and sinks. Add half a cap of fabric softener. This will make the bathroom smell pleasant. Pour everything into any bottle. I'll use a bottle from a drink and make a hole in the cap, but you can use a spray bottle. Spray the inside of the toilet and scrub. You don't need to use store-bought products. This mixture will last you a long time. Also, clean the sink. Use gloves because of the bleach used. You can also clean the floor and wall tiles with this solution. Everything will be clean and shiny. With this hotel trick, your toilet will stay perfectly clean for months. This simple method always helps me when I run out of store-bought cleaners. You only need products that most people already have at home, and you probably do too. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to a bowl. Salt helps remove buildup, supports cleaning, and acts as a natural cleaner. Then add 1 tablespoon of laundry powder. It effectively dissolves dirt, freshens, and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Also add vinegar. It's a proven ingredient that helps remove limescale and residue while leaving surfaces fresh. Pour in about 3 tablespoons and mix everything thoroughly until you get a ready solution. Pour most of it into the toilet bowl and scrub the inside well with a brush. Apply the remaining mixture to a sponge and clean the seat, the outer parts of the toilet, and other surfaces. As you can see, in just a few minutes, you can prepare an effective homemade cleaner. Thanks to it, your toilet will be perfectly clean, fresh, and shiny, like after professional cleaning, using only ingredients you already have at home. Pour Rinse Aid into the toilet. It works better than you think. If you've never used Rinse Aid in your toilet before, you need to try this. However, don't pour it in directly. First, prepare a powerful cleaning mixture. Start by pouring 125 milliliters of vinegar into a container. Vinegar effectively dissolves deposits and has antibacterial properties. Next, add 1 tablespoon of salt, which helps remove stubborn dirt and prevents limescale buildup. Stir well until the salt is completely dissolved, then transfer the mixture into a spray bottle. Now, add the key ingredient, 50 milliliters of Rinse Aid. This will make surfaces shine. Always shake the bottle before use to ensure the ingredients are well mixed. Spray the inside of the toilet, the seat, and the lid generously. Let the solution sit for a while to work its magic, then wipe everything down with a cloth. Dirt and stains will disappear instantly. This mixture also works wonders on sinks and faucets, removing limescale and water stains while leaving them sparkling clean. Your bathroom will be fresher and shinier than ever. The unpleasant odor coming from your toilet bowl will disappear immediately. You'll finally get rid of the smell from the drains once and for all. Here's what you need to do. Add a tablespoon of sugar to a bowl. Pour in warm, but not hot, water. Then take about half a block of fresh yeast, crumble it, and add it to the sugar water. Mix everything thoroughly. The yeast will dissolve, forming a milky mixture. This means the yeast is reacting with the sugar and is ready to use. Pour the mixture into the toilet bowl and leave it overnight, or at least for a few hours. Unlike chemical cleaning agents that may temporarily mask odors or damage pipes, yeast is a natural and safe solution. It works without harmful chemicals, supporting natural decomposition processes to eliminate the bad smell. After the set time, clean the toilet with a brush and flush. Your toilet will be clean and fresh. If you have dried yeast at home, it works just as well as fresh yeast. Simply follow the same steps, using an entire packet of dried yeast. This mixture will also remove the unpleasant odor. If the smell returns, simply repeat the process and pour yeast into the toilet again. The toilet seat has hidden buttons. Thanks to them, you'll get rid of contaminants and those yellow urine stains. When you're tidying up the bathroom, cleaning the toilet seat is always problematic. Dirt accumulates not only on the seat itself, but also underneath it. In the area where the seat is attached to the toilet. Here, you can also see yellow stains, and this is a hard-to-reach area. You'll soon learn how to clean such a seat. The stains will disappear. Everything will be clean and disinfected. Cleaning the seat from time to time is easier under the shower or in the bathtub. Then you can easily clean it. You can even scrub the nooks and crannies underneath the seat. If we remove the seat, we can also clean the place where it attaches to the toilet. It's impossible to do this on a daily basis. Only after removing the seat will you notice how much dirt there is here. And if you also remove those metal covers, you'll be even more horrified. But how to remove a toilet seat? It turns out that every seat has buttons that allow you to do this. Depending on the type of toilet, these can be 2 separate buttons like here. Each one at a different attachment point. Sometimes it can be 1 button in the middle. See how easy it is to remove the seat when you press them. Now all you have to do is take it under the shower or into the bathtub. Dissolve a Corega tabs capsule in a bottle of water. It's the best product for cleaning yellow stains on the toilet seat. Corega tabs destroy bacteria, whiten, and remove discoloration. This is all your toilet seat needs. With this spray, you'll also clean the place where the seat attaches to the toilet. Just spray it and everything comes off. The toilet will shine. The yellow stains and dirt will disappear in a few minutes, and you'll enjoy a clean toilet. Place a balloon in the toilet. See what happens. The result will surprise you. For this trick, you'll need a regular balloon. First, take the balloon and inflate it, but it doesn't need to be very large. Then, tie a long string to the balloon. This length is crucial for the trick. Once the balloon is ready, grab a jug and pour in 400 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar is an effective descaling agent and is often used to neutralize unpleasant odors. It also has antibacterial properties. Add 1 tablespoon of dish soap to the vinegar and mix the 2 ingredients thoroughly. Next, stick a small piece of transparent tape onto the balloon. Carefully place the prepared balloon into the toilet, ensuring that it completely blocks the toilet's drain. Pour the vinegar and soap mixture from the jug into the toilet. Follow this by pouring a bucket of warm water into the toilet. Leave the toilet like this for 3 hours. After the time has passed, use a toilet brush to scrub the toilet. Once you're done cleaning, grab the string and carefully remove the balloon. Locate the tape you attached earlier. Using a needle, pierce the balloon at the spot with the tape. This will ensure that the balloon deflates slowly without popping. Finally, flush the toilet. Your toilet will be clean and fresh.